It is Mr. Lova Lova special guest star with me, Crazy Renee at 5-Man Makeover, and KVK, the new spray foundation. And figured, since he sees my beautiful Irish ink, he can cover it because I can't see it. So y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Okay, Mr. Lover. Let's show everyone the amazingness of this spray foundation. And go ahead and give them your spiel about...
No. I have no idea how this is going to work out because I don't know how this product is supposed to work, but...
No, spray it on the brush.
Sounds like a can of spray paint to me, so I don't know. I think I got this.
It will not get you high. Okay, just got to throw that out there. It's not like when, if you're born in the 70s. Yeah.
So...
Oh, you're not going to do your little spiel?
No. We're
on the test one with the bad words?
I don't know. All I know is that at first glance, if I would have never known how to use this product, I basically would have treated it like a can of spray paint.
Oh, and just done sprayed my back?
If that's where cosmetics is going in 2019, I got this. So this is what would have happened.
Uh-oh.
Which I don't know what's going to happen.
Don't spray hard. It's highly pigmented.
So it's highly pigmented. Well, all right then. Let's see. We'll go down here, go down south, and we'll see what happens if I just...
Just a light spray. That's enough. Jason, that's way too much. Jason, that's way too much.
No. We're spray painting here. Come on.
No, you're wasting money. Man, I tell you. Okay, so I just did a live on my Facebook wall. You guys got to check that out.
So that's how that turned out. Let's see. I don't know.
Oh, that actually looks quite good.
Yeah, see, you know what I'm doing. You give a man a can of spray paint, he knows what's going on.
That's why he's CMO. Chief
Look
Makeup
at that.
Officer.
It disappears. All right.
Is my ink on? So when you put it on your face...
But apparently
wow.
the proper way to do this is what she showed me is in order to save product.
Kabuki brush time.
Take the brush.
Kabuki brush. Say kabuki, it's fun.
Okay,
Say
kabuki.
Kabuki dance. Kabuki.
You have to spray a little bit of this stuff on the brush.
A little goes a long way. That's more than enough
That's
times.
more than enough. Okay.
Mr. Lover.
And then you apply the stipple technique. Right? So we'll do that.
Show us how to stipple, baby. Show us. Oh, I tried to clip the strays. Okay, everyone, is he stippling? You be stippling.
I think we need a little bit more.
You be stippling.
A little bit more.
Uh-oh.
There we go. Okay, so there we go. Oh, yeah, that's looking good.
Oh. So no southeast lower quadrant action tonight?
No. We just got north and south.
Tonight you just got perky with the hot pink lip liner that your wife loves.
So how are we looking there? It's not too bad. I actually think the spray paint method works a little better.
That was not me snorting it. It was our precious.
This stipple
dog.
method is not quite hitting at least not for this thing.
Well, for a big fatty tattoo, like we're just showing you the power of the coverage. So a couple of quickie tippy facts here.
I don't know. What do you guys think there? The old spray paint. Just. Or are we gonna do the old stipple crap?
Brings back memories of our youth. So this spray foundation, it launches October 1st along with our new hydrating primer. It is full buildables coverage. Okay, Jason, that's enough. Oh, it's cold like spray paint too.
No, that's great. No, that's
I
awesome.
like it because it's so hot.
Look at that. Full coverage.
Non-como, it
Done
doesn't
deal.
clog your pores.
Done deal.
Really?
Yes. Here,
Holy,
you want a
where's
picture?
my tattoo? Ah, where'd my tattoo go? Holy, oh, my tattoo's gone. I want my tattoo back.
See, look at that. See, you don't even, I'm telling you. So if you want to save product, do the stipple method. If you just want to be a wasteful man like me, just go ahead and spray paint that crap on. Okay, no problem. Works.
That's insane, you guys.
Good stuff. Anyway,
That's insane.
there you go.
Okay, so
Congratulations.
you're all y'all are going to want this. I'm like so excited. Like I just did my whole face live on my Facebook wall. This is our IG quickie tippy of the day. Does not clog your pores. Non-transferable. Okay, I have been battling a cootie bug. Hold on, is this a? Hold on. Okay, it is white. Okay, It don't transfer. No, it does not. Because I had twin blowy nose zits from last week. And yeah, you can kind of see the lumps. But honestly, this stuff is amazing. I can color match you. You're all going to want this. All of you is going to want this. You could try it on with no bra in the comfort of your home, not dealing with traffic and like rude texting sales girls. And try it on with my beauty guide, okay? Or let's get you color matched. So let me know. I would love to color match you. This stuff rocks. If you are on Facebook, make sure you're in my VIP group because Hydrating Primer launches with the spray foundation, and the spray foundation is best applied doing the kabuki dance with the kabuki brush. And in VIP Beauties, there's going to be some VIP beauty fun for all the pre-order ladies. Mr. Lover, thank you so much. He's already outside. He's like, oh, okay, yeah. Where'd it go? So I got to have him take a picture. You know, like, where'd my tattoo go? I want my tattoo back. Oh, wait, but a shine cloth, I'll get it back. Lickety split. Boom. Oh, that's what I wanted you to do, Toots. Okay, but for IGTV quickie tippies, like, we only got 10 minutes, so I got to be quick, like, thank you for joining Mr. Lover and I, Renee, at 5 Min Makeover. Let's get your spray on. Let's get your color match. Get on that pre-order list because this big, you guys, this is huge. This is as huge as the tattoo I used to have. It's so big. I love you all. Stay confident. Look in that mirror. Love what you see. And see how beautiful you are that we all see. That's my goal. Stay confident. Stay beautiful. Renee with 5 Min Makeover. Ready to color match, you guys. Ready? Boom, 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 boom. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.